Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Momma Trendy. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. So today we're going to be getting into some healthy food alternatives that your kids will love, and to be honest, Big Mama loves them too. So the first snack that we're going to be getting into today is the Made Good Mixed Berry Granola Bars. I love these for myself. I snack on these when I'm needing something quick and on the go. They have some gluten-free oats, agave syrup, some dried cranberries and strawberries. They also incorporate some veggies, so you will see some broccoli and carrots and spinach, which is also great. And moving on to one of my family favorites is Once Upon a Farm. These are the tractor wheels soft baked granola bars, and my toddler loves these. This brand also incorporates clean ingredients with a mixture of fruits and veggies. So you will see the clean ingredients on the back, which is some organic strawberry puree, some organic sweet potatoes, and some whole wheats. Next, we have the Harmless Harvest vanilla coconut milk yogurt. I love this for a dairy-free alternative. It has organic coconut milk, organic vanilla extract, and vanilla bean, and some natural live and active cultures, which are great for your gut. Moving on to another family staple, which is the Red Mill. I love their old-fashioned rolled oats, and I try to use this as often as possible to make my toddler some oatmeal cookies or some old-fashioned oatmeal for breakfast. And it only has one ingredient, which are the oats. Next, we're moving on to a dairy-free alternative milk from 3 Trees. And it's their original almond milk that only has 3 ingredients in it, which is the filtered water, the organic almonds, and the French green salt. So I love that it only has those 3 ingredients in it. Another family favorite is the Applegate's Egg Muffin Bites. I love these. These are easy, quick on the go, pop in the air fryer. They contain spinach, tomatoes, cottage cheese, and the Applegate chicken sausage. All, again, good and clean ingredients for your little. Next are the Cerebelli Smart Bars. And I picked my toddler up the sweet potato and blueberry banana bars. These, again, contain good ingredients for your littles. They also incorporate veggies such as spinach, but you will also find dried blueberries, sweet potato, puree, and other veggies in it. Moving along to another Once Upon a Farm snack. This is their organic dairy-free coconut milk yogurt melts, and I love that this again is a dairy-free alternative. It has coconut cream, blueberry puree, strawberry puree, banana puree, and they're yummy. Another family favorite is the Jack and Annie's. This is their jackfruit chicken tenders. I love that these aren't 100% soy based. It does contain soy flour as the breading, but it's not a 100% soy based product. It uses the jackfruit. So I love this as a chicken alternative or a meat alternative for my toddler. Next, we're going to be getting into a juice. This is from Uncle Matt's. This has no sugar added, and I was looking at the strawberry lemonade and their super immune juice. I ended up going with that one because it had elderberry, but as you can see on the strawberry lemonade, it has organic strawberry puree and organic lemon. And again, I love that they didn't add any sugars. I try to stay away from sugars with my toddler if I can help it. Next, we have the Evergreen zucchini and carrot waffles. I love these that they have, again, the sweet but yet incorporating the veggies in the foods for our children as well. It has cinnamon sea salt, some baking soda, whole wheat flour, maple syrup. And it's just an all-around good product for your littles. Thank you guys for watching. Again, share this video. Peace.